It's 8:48 on the Friday before the show, and we've got a lot of work to do to get ready. I've got to edit a video of the Kent and East Sussex Railway to go up tonight. As you're watching this, that would be last week, because we haven't had time this week to do a video with various college taster days, and I've had my mocks and things like that. I've got to charge up all the cameras, and I turned this camera on and realised that its batteries were dead as well. So I've got to set up all of the camera gear, got the small blue camera, all the chargers, and obviously this camera. When you go to model railway shows, you get these little plaques as well to put on your layout. So we decided that for our show, just to make it a little bit different, we're going to give all of our exhibitors one of these, which we have custom designed and 3D printed. And I've got to print about 10 of them before probably about 5 o'clock in the evening tonight. So gonna have to rush along with them. I've got to swap this grey filament for some green and white to do the colour for the plaque. I've also designed these little slips to give to everyone as they come in to vote for the best layout that we're going to have in the marquee. Yeah, need quite a lot of them. And downstairs in our mess of a workshop, we've got 2 printers that I need to pack up, which I'm going to assume I'm going to do these 2, although I do need to fix that one first, because the problem with the printing that we do, with the amount of printing we do, the printers do malfunction every now and then, so they do require a bit of maintenance. We've got my dad's other layout that we need to just finish off, got a few people that need sticking on. We've got here our N-gauge loco, which we're just painting up. Also, by the way, these chassis are back in stock on Amazon for a decent price of only about 15 quid. So just to let you know all of that. We've got to finish painting up that diesel, all the rest of our N-gauge stuff. We've got to pack the toolbox and just get everything ready, because we are going to be going to the Bluebell tonight at about 5 just to set everything up.
So here we go, all loaded up. It's a new car, so we've got didn't know if it would all fit, and we've got to leave a seat because we're taking Sam tomorrow. We didn't want this to take of taking 2 lots and finding it wouldn't all come back, but it's all in there, 2 layouts and everything we need, big toolkit for everybody, and we're off now to start setting up on the Friday night. So it's fallen down a little bit in the back so you can hear it. It's been quite a rattly journey because we're down some quite bumpy country lanes. It'll be all right coming back Sunday because Sam will be in there and it can fall on Sam. I mean rattle on Sam. I mean no, not at all. So we're just going through Fletching, which is on the way. It's a very nice little village actually if you ever come this way. Very charming English village.
11 minutes.
What till we get there?
According to the sun off.
Yep.
We're here, we know where everything is, we're going to be over there, just like last year. So now it's just a case of moving everything from the car, which is way out there, right across the tracks to over there. So that's going to take a while.
So here we go, here we are at the Bluebell, and this is rather an unusual task. You won't see many people doing it at Railway Exhibition. We're having to cut the grass. We came prepared because we know that Bluebell often don't have the time. So it's going to take us quite a while to do all this. I'm going to do a quick film where we're going to try and cut. So that's going to take us a while. So we do some strange things when we're doing exhibitions.
Here on Saturday morning. I've been standing here for a while. I'm waiting for exhibitors to come. We've got one left. The rest are all in and setting up, as you would have seen earlier. So I get to spend time here.
I'll just stand here and look important. This is my dad standing here looking important. I've made a life out of that. That's a skill. Well,
You know, when you're ready.
Here looking important. It's my job.
Yeah, but you know, like what we discuss.
What, Bob and Bob?
No, not Bob and Bob.
What did we discuss then?
Talk.
Well, here we are at the Bluebell show on Sunday morning. Way too early because we don't need to be here for another hour, but Douglas wanted to get here in plenty of time, so we could have had another half hour in bed.
No, I didn't. You said we get up at 7.
No, you did. You said.
No, you did.
Anyway, we're here now. So here we are. We're all set up. So we've got our 2 layouts and our 3D printers, and Neil's layout, and Matthew's layout, and Alex's layout, and Abe's layout. And we're getting ready for the day.
And the backup.
Needed it for another round.
We got Sam, who's just now avoiding the camera.
We did get up way too early. Could have got here at 9:30.
It was your idea to get up at 7.
No, yours.
No, yours. No, it was
Yours.
yours.
And we've got budget
Oh, yeah.
day.
And a vote for best layout in the show, of our show, of which they get a little plaque. 3D printed. I'm gonna flex, yeah. I'm gonna have a camera flex. Battle of the cameras.
What do you want?
Shh. We've still got about half an hour until the show actually opens, but there's already quite a lot of people up here. Alright, I'm now off to the rest of the exhibition to go film, hopefully, some of the layouts running. It is 45 minutes until the show starts, so I'm hoping there's going to be things running, but there might not be. Such a long walk. We're all the way over there. I got across all the tracks. But that is an awesome shot. Like, you never get to see that really, standing right in the middle of the tracks. I don't know, it just looks cool. There goes that man. It's literally about 9:30 in the morning and it is already so hot. But down here, under the tracks in the subway, admittedly it's a bit noisy because of all the trains, but it's really nice and cold.
Thank you. Yes. Nickel. So you can get plenty of nickel plated second hand. We're not ready yet.
It's not hot yet.
The yellow paper running light yellow.
We did it at something. We were out in about 10 minutes.
Sam, Do you have minstrels?
Yeah, no, he's
Morning. Morning. Hello. So both designed to show you can get a lot in a little space. The 1930s, the 80s.
pop him on.
Do you know, we've so got to do that one year. We've all got to bring an item and see if we can get it on somebody else's land.
Photographing evidence.
But it'll have to be a show that we don't mind we'll be barred from and never get around again.
Yeah.
You know, don't have those budget on the railway people, they're subversive.
Yes, yeah.
Have you got a sticker, son?
I just sat there for trouble, to be honest.
Would you like a sticker, young man?
I've been given a very important mission to go find our lunch for the day because we haven't got any yet. That will be our lunch. Achievement of the day, we've got both the printers printing the same thing at the same time.
Yeah, this
oh,
one's
and that
coming
one's
off,
just failed. Oh, not achievement of the day. There we go. Now the printers are printing in perfect sequence, the exact same mod. So mine and Sam's mission today is to try and get a camera, specifically a GoPro, down there in between the tracks and have a train go over it to get a really good looking shot of the train coming towards the camera and then going over it. But we've been trying all day and it's failed so far because every time a train comes, the station master walks down here and stops people from crossing the tracks. And we keep missing trains coming the right way, so it's being really annoying at the moment.
Oh, nice.
I just wanted to say thank you very much to everybody for coming and supporting. I hope you've all had a good time. As you know, we were running a little competition during the weekend to see who the public thought was the best layout at the show. And it was quite close, at least for the rest of us.
And it wasn't you.
And it wasn't me. But the clear winner was Neil. There you go, another pack for you later.
Thank you very much. Excellent. Now you've got to figure out where to put it.
Right, stick it next to the other one.
Absolutely. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, it's in the cups. Thank you very much. Hope everybody's had a good time.
Thank you.
Good. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.